morning, friends, fans, haters. How are you today? We are back for another Snack Pal box try, opening, unveiling, reaction video. Oh, I'll tell you what, I am so excited. So this box came all the way from Switzerland. So this is from a lovely gal named Lara. I think I'm saying it right. It's just L-A-R-A. There's no U. So I think it's Lara versus Laura. I'm not sure. But, okay, here we go. So, haha, okay. Ah, oh my gosh. Is she wearing a mask? Oh my gosh, she handmade me a mask. Lara, look how cute that is. Oh, stop. Lara, get out of town. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God. It's got a matching scrunchie. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at that. And it's got a freaking matching scrunchie. Look at that stitching. Oh my goodness. All right, so definitely you guys gotta check her out. Her company is called Build Your Mask on Instagram and also on Facebook. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I wanna put it, no, I'm actually gonna put it in. I wanna put it in right now. Are you kidding? Oh my, I am so cute. I am so excited, as you can tell. Okay, wow. Segue, now we are into snacks. Oh my gosh, okay. I think this is where she lives in Switzerland. I'm not gonna, she literally circled my house, so. But like, how cool is that? Okay, so hers is like a healthy-ish snack box, she says. Oh, also not so healthy treats because I do live in the chocolate country and cheese kingdom. But I tell you what, Lara actually like pays attention to my Instagram stories because she literally said like, I heard sometimes you dream about moving to England or Ireland. Bruh. All right, so we're gonna dive in. Here we go. What the heck are these? Swiss hot cocoa mixes. I can't pronounce this. Ovomaltine? Ovomaltine? Is that, am I right? I don't know. What language do they speak in Switzerland? Is it like German or is it French? Why do I have those two languages in my head? Is that that's what they speak? I'm probably wrong. Appenzeller barley bibber. I think this is gonna be even worse than the Dutch one. Look at that. It's some sort of cookie. It's some sort of cookie, but I can't read anything. All right, well, we're just gonna be surprised. I wonder if it's got apple in it. If that's what it said. If that's apple in Swiss language. What is it? Some sort of chocolate bar. I'm assuming it's a chocolate bar. It could literally be anything, but. Kagi Fret. It's got an umlaut, I think, right? The two dots, is that an umlaut? Is this German? Oh my gosh, okay. So, nuts. I'm gonna guess that they're hazelnuts, which covered in chocolate. Oh my. One of our best and most known chocolate brands. Color. We even have a museum for it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Laura really hooked it up. Oh my God. I'm not gonna need to buy sweets for like a year. What the heck is this? Non-dairy smoothie bowl for on the go? That's cool. Mango passion. That is so cool. Look at that. What the heck is this? soda? Rivella? Rivella Original. I think that's what it says. Rivella. Oh, I'm so intrigued. I can't tell what, like, if it's a color either, because I think the bottle is kind of, yeah, the bottle is kind of amber, so I don't know what flavor. Oh, I'm so excited. It is made with a little Swiss milk. Wait, okay. It is made with a little Swiss milk and other food and other good stuff. You either love it or you hate it. Let me know. All right. I'm excited about that. All right. Oh, another smoothie. Banana cocoa acai. I love smoothie bowls. So like these are made great, and the fact that they're kind of meant to be like on the go, so you can just like. Ah, Toblerone, classic. I know what that one is. Oh. Swiss cheese and black pepper flavored peppercorn. Oh my gosh, it's popcorn. Popcorn is my favorite like crunchy snack. Look how cute, look at that. It looks so cute. Oh my gosh, it's Gruyere flavored popcorn. Marvolo, vegan. What is it though? It's berry flavored. But I wonder like what it actually is. Huh. Alright. Very interesting looking. The Primal Pantry. Coconut and macadamia. Alright, this might be a hit or miss just because me and coconut were kind of weird. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? A Lara bar. Where it's like really simple ingredients. It's vegan and gluten-free. Oh my gosh, this box keeps going. What are these? Little hazelnut biscuits? I'm guessing? I'm not sure. Trying to smell them through the bag. Okay, Erica. Goji berry and cranberry quinoa bar. Very cool. Okay. Ooh. Looks like there's like pumpkin seeds in there too. Very cool. Bye. Perker. Perkier? Perk up. Alright, and last but not least is another Marvolo, so just like this one. But this one is hazelnut. Is hazelnut a big thing in Switzerland? Because I feel like a lot of these things are hazelnut. But maybe it's because hazelnut's just so good with chocolate. We'll see. But this one's called Nutty Nick. Cool. I don't know what to try first. Okay, let's go. I don't know. I can't choose. Alright, I'm gonna do the popcorn because I love popcorn any time of the day. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so they almost look like they're like caramel corn. Like they're kind of coated. Ooh, interesting. So it's kind of subtle. It's not like American popcorn where they're coated in like a cheesy flavored dust. This is like, I feel like this is like real cheese. But you don't taste it right away. It's not like, because again, it's not like a powdery coating. Wow, this is so good. Got a little pepper in that one. Wow. Okay, especially when you eat more of them, you get the cheese flavor. But it kind of comes towards the end. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm also gonna try the So Nuts. I'm gonna try these ones. Okay, so it's a little chocolate ball. Huh. Oh my god, that's so good. It tastes like Nutella with a crunch. Oh my god, I could easily eat this whole thing. Mmm. Alright, I'm gonna try this one because I feel like this is kind of the... I'm gonna keep trying them too. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I try things on my Insta story all the time in terms of snacks. And whatever I don't try in the rest of this video, I'm definitely gonna be trying on my story over there. But this one I feel like is really cool, so. Interesting. Kinda smells like a cola, but like not really. Oh, that's delicious. That is so good. Oh my gosh, Lara. Let's get another pack of these, girlfriend. Holy shit. I don't know what the flavor is, but it's so good. Like it's kind of got a, it's kind of like a cola, but it's also has a weird fruitiness in the back of it. I don't know what this is, but it's delicious. Okay. Try a good old granola bar. Can't go wrong. It's the morning. Mmm. Oh, it smells so fruity. That's what we're working with in terms of the inside too. The goji berry flavor comes through so strong. It's so nice. Alright, I feel like I'm gonna end this here because I've noticed it's already kind of on the long side compared to my last one. And gotta edit it and whatnot. So, oh wait, let me put this down. I want to say thank you so much if you watched and you got this far. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me over there. That's where I do a lot of polls and questionnaires to figure out what you want on the good old YouTube. So please go follow me there. If you're new here, hello, like and subscribe and turn the bell on so you never miss another video from lil ol' me. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much to Lara because this was so freaking cool. So thank you and catch you guys later.